guys, today I'll be reviewing the Handy Chopper Mini from Pigeon. Now as the name suggests, this is a handy mini chopper which will help you chop your fruits and vegetables and make your life even more easier. Now this is great for when you don't feel like chopping or you're someone who just doesn't like chopping. This one will do the work for you. The body of this chopper is made of hard plastic and is shatterproof. That means it's not going to break easily. It comes with 3 blades which is made of stainless steel and is very sharp, and it's going to last you for a bunch of uses. It also has this unique string function which helps to chop the vegetables which are inside. And the best part is that this doesn't require any electricity, so you can take it wherever you go. It's very portable and very convenient. This chopper is very easy to use. All you need to do is place the blade in the center of the bowl, then add your fruits or vegetables into the bowl. Remember to chop your vegetables or fruits into medium sizes and then add it, and then cover the bowl with the lid and make sure it locks. Then place one hand on the bowl and then use your other hand to pull the handle, and keep pulling the handle till you get your desired results. Be it onion, tomatoes, garlic, chilies, whatever, this chopper will chop it for you, and it can chop the vegetables into really fine pieces, and it works very well. I really love this chopper and I'm going to keep on using this. So go ahead and get your hands on this chopper, and I'll see you next time. Bye.